In the heart of a dense jungle, lived a lion named Leo. Unlike other lions, Leo had a unique gift: he could communicate with all the animals in the forest. Leo was admired by everyone for his wisdom and courage. One day, a drought struck the jungle, leaving all the animals in despair. The waterhole had dried up, and food was scarce. Leo called a meeting of all the animals and shared his plan. He asked the squirrels to gather nuts, the birds to scout for water sources, and the elephants to dig a channel to bring water to the parched land. As days passed, Leo's unity and leadership inspired the animals to work together like never before. They overcame obstacles, found new friendships, and even managed to plant seeds for future crops. Leo's relentless determination to save his fellow animals became a symbol of hope and resilience. Finally, the day came when the water flowed through the channel, filling the waterhole. The jungle was rejuvenated, and the animals celebrated their victory over adversity. Leo's unwavering spirit and ability to unite the forest dwellers showed them that even in the darkest times, unity, courage, and determination could overcome any challenge. And so, the legend of Leo, the lion who united the jungle, was passed down through generations as a reminder that when we stand together, we can achieve the impossible and turn adversity into triumph. The moral lesson of the story is that unity and leadership can overcome even the toughest challenges. Leo, the lion, showed that when individuals from different backgrounds come together, their combined efforts can bring about positive change. His ability to communicate and inspire the animals around him emphasized the importance of leading with empathy and understanding. The story teaches us that in times of adversity, instead of giving in to despair, we should harness our collective strengths, work as a team, and strive to make a difference.